This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Greektown neighborhood in the Hot West Loop, to a location that's close to restaurants, nightlife, Mariano's Grocery, public transit, and the UIC campus, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly Arkadia. I'm at apartment 3211, a one-bedroom, looking out for a sweeping view to the west. Toward the south, we have the UIC campus, short walk away. Terrific dining and nightlife scene in the West Loop. Greektown just across the street. And looking out to the northwest where you're going to have a view of Chicago's dazzling sunsets. Turning into the living dining area, you have wide plank flooring, an efficient U-shaped kitchen, breakfast bar peninsula, white quartz counters. It's a tile backsplash, undermount stainless steel sink, a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Stainless steel appliance package includes a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. It's a 4-burner gas range and a built-in dishwasher and microwave. 42-inch lacquer look white upper cabinets, contrasting with an espresso stained brushed look lower cabinets. You have under counter lighting. Turning toward the entryway, you have enough width for a hall console table, and behind the louver door, your in-unit washer dryer. Entry to the bath off to my left. I'll come back to that because there's a tandem entry from the bedroom. Okay, at a coat closet on my left. Windows have sills to set your plants on to soak up some of that western sun. And you have roller shades on all the windows. Bedroom is carpeted and fabulously bright. Wing wall window facing south, and the other window is facing out to the west. Space for your queen-size bedding, additional furniture, nightstands. Picture your home office desk in that corner. Heading toward the bath. Closets flanking the entryway. Good shelving and hanging space. Then you have a slightly oversized bath, white marble veined tile on the floor, tub shower combination, wide vanity with mirror. And your second entry out to the kitchen, dining, living area. Arkadia has a steps from everything location in the West Loop. A variety of apartments with upscale finishes, and an extensive suite of amenities, including a sprawling outdoor pool deck and a fitness center. Put Arkadia West Loop on your must-see list. Head to Arkadia's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.